Good morning, class 10. I hope you guys are doing great and fit and fine. I guess I had advised you, I guess I had just wanted to share with you that I hope you guys are into some physical activities also, instead of your phone and that free fire and PUBG and all. I am not telling about the girls. Girls also do play. It's not that they don't play. I've seen a lot of girls playing mobile whole day on the mobile. Your fingers don't pain, right? When I get bored, I do something. I either wash my clothes, I start arranging my room, or I just listen to music, and I don't use my mobile so much. If I want to listen to music, I'll listen to the radio, but I'll not use my mobile. I have a small phone, a Nokia small phone. There's no SIM card in it. I only use it to hear the radio. And when I'm free. So today we are back. I hope you all are doing great well at home and respecting your parents and taking care of them, and enjoyed your today's Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami to everybody, and happy Independence Week to everybody. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and love your country. Do something for your country in any way, any small way. Even if you feed a dog on the street, is feeding a dog of your country. So that dog will also follow. They are very faithful. I love animals. So anyways, so let's get back to our agriculture part. And I had explained you what is crop farming. Crop farming is done. So I'll just read that part. After that, we'll go into the major crops, and we'll discuss about that, or I'll just explain, and then we'll take it further from there. Okay. So let's get to it without delay. Okay. So we were there at this cropping pattern. Right. We have studied the physical diversities and the plurality of cultures in India, right? These also have reflected in agricultural practices, cropping patterns in the country. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables and fruits, spices and condiments, etc., constitute some of the most important crops grown in the country. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Okay. So that's what it is all about. And what was I saying? Yes, we have 3 cropping seasons in the Rabi, Kharif and the Zaid. Okay. And one thing I was wanting to know is, I don't have to explain about Rabi, Kharif, and you know what is all about it. You know what are condiments? Vegetables and fruits and spices and condiments are what are called a substance of like salt, mustard or pickle, used to add flavor to the food or ingredients. Okay, those are called condiments. Constitute some of the crops of grown in India: the Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi crops are grown, or rather sown, in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states of the north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclones help in the success of these crops. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of the above mentioned Rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September to October. Important crops during this season are paddy, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, tur is arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Okay. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. Particularly the Konkan coast, that's towards Goa, along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Recently, paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are Aus, Aman and Boro. 3 crops of paddy, 3 times they can put in to have rice cultivation. And between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the months known as the Zaid season. Some of the crops during the Zaid are grown. Are what? Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. Now what are major crops? We must come to know what are major crops. Major crops in India: rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and juice, etc. Of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan too. These are the major crops. Okay. Now, inside the major crops, we have this rice. Rice is a seed of a grass species, Orzia glabrima it's called, the African rice, or Orzia sativa, Asian rice. As a cereal grain. What is a cereal grain? Cereal is any grass cultivated grown or grown for edible components. That's a cereal. Composed of endosperm, germ and bran. It is referred to grain itself. It provides more food energy than any other type of crop. I have had that, I had eaten rice in Bhutan. They have got that purple type of color rice. I had seen very colorful rice, I don't know how did that rice come. It was very nice to eat also, and rice and fish. They are killing fish in the river with the stick. Children where the waterfall is coming and they are hitting the fish with the stick and taking out, and purple rice and fish cooked. It was nice. But I am talking about the rice, I am not talking about the fish. The rice, I still remember, it was kind of a purple color of rice, which was very different. Taste was also different. It was, I was not feeling sleepy also. Generally in Bengal, when we eat rice, we feel sleepy. So, and it's very healthy for the body. Calories are huge amount of it. So, I'll tell you more about rice in my next video.